This one really is a rare treat down here at Haulover. For whatever reason, we don't see a ton of these big cats come rolling through the inlet, which is kind of a little bit of a surprise. I mean, we see some of the bigger yachts come through here. Yes, there are some restrictions with the bridge being there on height, which is why we don't see a lot of sailboats, but I'm really shocked we don't see more of these come rolling through the inlet. But welcome back, guys, to beautiful Haulover Inlet down here in Miami, Florida, and Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine come in and take on Mother Nature down here at Haulover Inlet. Gonna be an interesting day. I mean, this is a big cat, and you can see she's rocking and rolling. Gonna be interesting to see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and try to battle with the inlet. And this is going to bring us to the first round of our contest. And here in the first round, the boats are going to toss a blackfin in the ring to see if the boats can go ahead and get on the board first. But let's go, round one, ring the bell, and here we go. Our first crew is making their way out of Haulover Inlet, and as you can see, it's gotten a little rough. There's a loaded boat here, but Cap's trying to make the boat do the work, but he's not got it up on plane at all, so the boat is bouncing all over the place because he's not really going fast enough to let this boat do its thing and push through these waves, and down goes one of the crew members. There was a crew member standing next to the helm, and on that last wave, they wound up going down and hitting the deck. But here you can see almost everybody's huddled up behind the helm now, except for the one crew member who went down, who's still down as they're working their way out. But Cap's going to continue on as it starts to calm down once it gets outside the mouth of the inlet. But unfortunately for this crew, with our crew member going down in this one, I've got no choice but to give this first round to Haulover Inlet. And that's going to bring us to the second round of our contest. Haulover comes in with the early 1-0 lead. And here in the second round, the boats are going to toss a mystery vessel in the ring. I'm not sure what this one is. If you know, let me know in the comments. But our crew is starting to work their way out the mouth of Haulover. Again, it's been really rough today here in the inlet. Once our crews get outside, it does start to calm down a little bit, but man, big rollers right here at the end. He's got to break away to get out of that water running into the inlet and get out into the calmer water on the outside. Oh my God! Our guy in the bow takes a massive hit. They come up over that wave, he smacks down hard, winds up on the deck for a moment. Man, that one is absolutely brutal. Haulover is causing damage today, and this crew here in the second round is victim to Haulover as well, and unfortunately they're going to take a loss to the inlet also, which is going to move us into the third round. Haulover has taken a massive 2-0 lead, and the boats have to get back on the board now, or this one could be over early. And of course the boats, yep, third round, we're doing a pontoon. Man, the boats couldn't have picked a worse way to try and go out in this one. Right here we can see they're stuffing the bow of the pontoon already as they're working their way out. Our crew up front trying to enjoy some beverages, but I got a feeling unless you got a lid on that girl, that thing is going to be filled with salt water coming up here shortly. But the crew's still working their way out, but again, another wave over the bow, and our dude just threw something away. I couldn't see quite what it was, but here we go. Again, right over the front, winds up throwing it in the water, littering as we go, but man, they've stuffed it several times. They wind up littering, and I don't have an option on this one. This is a rough episode because the boats are going down 3-0. They're going to take a loss here in the third round, and this one's almost over before it could even get started, and Haulover is going to take the easy win today down here at the inlet. But thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this quick episode of Boats versus Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.